triangular shape as we slowly get into the 3D part. So if you take the pen tool again, the shift key keeps it straight, and then as you're building these shapes up, not too difficult to create. But remember, you have these values over here to take the gradients. Hold the command key down, and it allows you, when you see, you'll see you're on the anchor point, so it matches it right on top of it there. And since I had that gradient, it's going to stick with me. But again, either hold the option and then just click off somewhere in the blank part of the illustration, and it lets you build that up. So it's just kind of using these parts and pieces to build this drawing, and then coming back on this side. So using the keystroke to get back to the selection tool. So remember, here's the gradient, here's the part that has the tone. So if you wanted to keep it as a flat tone to start off with, you can easily see that coming. If you click on the gradient, remember the gradient tool is here, and you can click on the surface, or you can click in the window here to manipulate this piece. Keep in mind, all of these selections taking off the stroke, you'll see it's a question mark because there's 4 different gradients. It's not sure which one it's recognizing. If you take the lines out, this is what I'm trying to get you to do with the drawing. So it helps a little bit with that. So again, the gradient, if I use this selection on here, this will be the piece. Keep in mind you're on the fill for this part. So when this gradient comes across, it rotates it, so you're trying to get the shading, kind of blending it from there so you can kind of see the section. If there's a color you don't want, you can just drag it right off of there and keep it sliding there. So it's kind of nice, it's interactive right on the screen there. If there's a darker color that you want, you can click right in here to get to this image here for the CMYK or the RGB. So just be careful which one you grab. This one shortens it. This one moves the whole piece. And if you want to restate it, you can sketch it in depending on which direction you're manipulating that gradient. And doing the same on this side. This is just a flat color. Keep in mind as you go back to this, it'll keep the last one, and if you click in the bottom of this, it'll let you save it into your swatches where all of your colors are located to help you build that piece up. So try to get comfortable using that part of the tool for that section there. And again, there's color shapes and harmonies that you can build up with that. That'll get you to that selection.